NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you and just share how to apply your eyeshadow on hooded eyes. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep watching. I just want to bring you in really close just to see. I already have this eye done. Thing I want to do is add a little bit of concealer. Ooh, that's a little bit too much. I always just use concealer instead of eyeshadow primer. I believe they just do the same thing. So these are the little brushes that I like to use. Let me just show you. They're kind of medium. They're nothing really big. The black one is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. You can tell it's hooded. It's just you have this little piece of skin that kind of comes over your eye. So that's what makes it hooded. I have little moles and things on my eyes. But anyway, I'm going to start off with a transitional shade. I'm just going to use it as a transitional shade right here. Okay. And the reason why I start right here, if I go down any lower, you know, if I go down lower when I open my eyes, you see you're not able to see it just by me just starting right here. See the difference? When I close my eyes, you can barely see the color. See? So anytime you're doing your eyeshadow, you want to go above. You kind of want to go up in this area, okay? You want to kind of go up in here. And I lift everything up. I am 48 years old with mature skin, and my eyes is already kind of slanting down. So you want to kind of make them appear lifted. Everything is lifted, okay? Everything. So I'm just going back and forth, kind of in circular motions, you know, just to make sure everything is blended out. And this is I'm going to use as a transitional shade. Again, I'm using the ABH Jackia Aina's palette, and I'm using the transitional shade where it's called Ginger. That's the shade I'm using. Okay, see? So when I close it, you can still see it. So you want to go like right up and above here where your eyes just naturally open at crease. You want to go above it. That will make a very huge difference, okay? A huge difference. And again, I bring it outward. Outward, okay? Outward. I'm going to take the brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to go in with edges. And when I go in with edges, I'm just going right, let me see. Again, right up top. It looks like it's more of a burnt orangey type color. And I love these type of colors for fall. And I'm really just focusing, you can go all the way down if you like, but right up in this area. And I do not like to use tape or paper or anything like that. Sometimes, I mean, when you're first starting out, to have a piece of paper, maybe, you know, something that you can take and sit right here and, you know, do it. But I've done it so much, I really don't use that anymore. I just know my eyes and I'm going upward, you know. I just go upward. And see, when I open my eyes, now you can see the color. If I do it anywhere down here, you will not see it, okay? And I always take it right here and I just go right and shape my eye. Kind of just shape my eye. Make sure everything is blended. Okay. So now the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to take Credit. And Credit is a darker shade, okay? And I'm going to take that color and I'm going to go right in the outer quarters. Right here. And I'm starting, I have to shake a little bit up because I start light and then I build. So right here, and you want to move it up. Now, because if I keep it right here again, you see my eye. You see how I put some color right here. It looks good here. But when I close it, you cannot see it at all. You see that? Open. I mean down. And when I open it up, you can't even see the color. So you really want to move that color upward. Okay, again, everything goes up. So you're moving this color up and a little bit over. Okay? That's the difference. Sometimes you look like, oh my goodness, it's going on so pretty, and you know, but if you do not move that color up, you won't even see it. I'm telling you, hooded eyes can be tricky a little bit, but once you do it a few times and you master it, you know, it really becomes second nature to you. Okay, so you're just taking it and you're moving outward, and it looks a little raggedy right now, but we're going to clean it up. Okay, so just continue to do that and move it inward, not outward. I'm sorry, I meant to say move it inward toward this. You're not trying to muddy it up, but you do want to bring everything, you know, this way, okay? I want to go into Soleil. I think that's the name of it, Soleil. It has a little bit of shimmer in it. I do not wear shimmers often, but this shimmer, it's really a nice, pretty. It's not so fluorescent, you know. And anytime I want to tone down a shimmer, what I do is just put a little bit of matte, the same color eyeshadow, but just matte. So I'm just gonna take this. I like to start over in the corner, because sometimes, you know, with that little highlight, inner corner highlight action, that's what I like to do. It looks like I have an inner corner highlight when I just start from there. And now you don't want to leave that there either. You see how it folds up, so you want to kind of bring it up a little bit. Now you're not going to cut crease. I'm not cutting crease. I'm just kind of bringing it up a little bit. Okay, just a little bit to show a little color, so you can see just a tad bit over where the folds, where my eye folds. Just want to make sure I bring it up to that point. So right down here, and I bring it up just a little bit. Not too much where I'm cutting crease, because I'm not trying to do that, but I'm bringing it up enough, you know. And then we'll blend everything in a moment. So once I have that, my eyeshadow right here where I want it, and see, you have to go over that little crease line. Now I'm gonna go back in with this big wig just to give it a little bit depth right up in here. It just kind of brightens it up a little bit. It makes it looks like it makes it darker, but it doesn't. It kind of brightens up. And I'm just gonna kind of just go in and just clean it up a little bit, make this more defined, the outer corners, and then take my brush where I went back in when I put a little bit of the transitional shade there, and just kind of clean everything up. Okay, you just want to clean everything up a little bit right up in here. No harsh lines. We're not trying to have the harsh lines. Okay, look at that, see? And this is without the lashes. This is with lashes and without lashes. Okay, so now we're gonna go with the liquid liner. Liquid liner can be tricky. I'm not doing a wing, because sometimes the wings, when you open your eyes, the wing is weird looking, okay? So what I like to do is apply my liquid liner very, very close. I start here, very close to my natural line, and I'm bringing this up too because my eyes go down, so I'm trying to do the liner, you know, in an upward more position. It looks like a little wing, but I'm not starting here because it's weird when you start the wing right here. Sometimes, you know, I start right before, not here, but right before. You see right there. Because see, when I close my eyes, you can't even see it anyway. So I stop right here. I go as close as I can, and I make my eyes look a little lifted with this liquid liner. That's why I like to use, this is by Urban who is this by? This is the tattoo liner by Kat Von D, okay? And yes, just a slight little way. I like to go as close to the lash line as possible. Okay. You could either add your mascara and then your lashes, or your lashes and then mascara. I always do my lashes first and then the mascara. And these are the lashes that I'm using by Kiss. I Envy, and they are the KPESI. Right here. And applying my lashes, I like to get them as close to the lash line as possible. Okay, as close as to the lash line as possible. Once I get them situated and they are on good, I like to take my liquid liner and go back over it. I'm sorry, let me come back so you can see it. Once I have them the way I want them, that's when I actually apply my mascara. This was just supposed to be an eyeshadow, but hooded eyeshadow look. But I'm showing you mascara too, honey. And so then I apply my mascara, and then you can go up under there sometimes in tight line. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends also on the lashes. By me applying that liquid liner so close to, you know, the lash line, it makes the lashes appear fuller. You know? Okay, I hope this video was helpful and just showing you how I apply eyeshadow on hooded eyes. So if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to click that little bell right there. Every time I do a video, you'll be the first one notified. So anyway guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. Peace and love until next time. Bye. Bye.